Right, so I thought I'd do this little video on our Rover 75, and we're at the back of the boot, and one of the number plate lights are out. As you can see there, that one's out, and this one's on. So I thought I'd just cover us removing the lens, and then changing the little what we call fuse bulb that's up there, those little sort of glass cylindrical bulbs with the little contact at each end. Right, so it's two little Phillips screw heads for this little lens. So I'm going to get on and undo those, and then we should be able to get to the bulb. Right, so that's the two screws out. The lens has stayed up in there. I think the rubber seal's holding it. So what I'm going to do is use a little sort of one of those type credit card things just to hook this lens down, and that should bring it out. So there's the lens. So yeah, there's the lens, and it's got quite a nice little rubber cylinder that's actually stayed in really good tact considering the age and the sun it gets. So we'll put that down there with the screws, and then up in there, hopefully you can see there is one of those sort of fuse or festoon bulbs that hopefully will find us blown, and we can change it for one of our new bulbs. There's the old one out. Right, so there's the old bulb, and it's clearly blown. It's completely sort of black inside. So what we'll do is get a new bulb from our little set of bulbs in our bulb box, and we'll get that new bulb in, and hopefully that will have cured that problem. So that's the new bulb in. We'll go and switch the lights on and see if it's working. Right, so it's flickering a little bit, so what we're going to do is take that bulb back out and just clean the contacts up in there, and hopefully it'll be a bit more of a reliable connection. Right, so hopefully you can see there we've cleaned them with a little bit of emery cloth, and also I've sprayed some contact cleaner in there, and we'll just put the bulb up in there, and hopefully I'll twist that bulb round a little bit as well. That will hopefully have got rid of any of that corrosion, and then the bulb should stay on rather than sort of only flickering when you push it up in there, and that should have sorted out our problem. Right, so that seems to have sorted it out. Both those bulbs now are working. So what we do is put back the little lens cap. So before I put that lens back, it's a good opportunity just to give it a little clean up with a little bit of window cleaner, and that'll get that nice and clean inside and out before we put it back. Right, so that's the cover back on, and both of them working. So hopefully, if your bulb's gone out on your Rover 75 on the number plate light on the back, this has been a useful little video to help. As always, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the channel.